Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos. Now, regular viewers to the channel will be like, why have I got my chef's top on? Why have I got a hoodie and shorts on? And where is everything? Well, a little bit of an update for you for the channel. We are moving house. When? Today. Yes, right now. And you're going to be coming with us right now as we move house. Now, don't panic. The big pizza oven is in storage. It's nice and safe. So is the Mighty. So is all the Ninjas. Everything is all nice and safe. So big thanks to Reese for helping me out with the storage, and my cousin Chris for coming over and giving us a lift to lift this absolute monster of a Skillcraft pizza oven, the Vulcan, off here onto a homemade trolley. We then wheeled it through the house, used some pallets to lift it up and then slide it into the back of my Land Rover. We then did the reverse at Reese's house and we've got it all out, and my cousin Chris has taken the Mighty to use whilst I'm moving house. Why not? So we're not going far. We're actually only going 4 miles from where we are now. I can't wait. With this house that we're in now, we bought it as a new build 15 years ago. It only meant to be here for 5 years, turned into 15 years, 2 children, 3 dogs later, chickens, rabbits, everything you can think of we've had in this house, and it's been great. So I'm really excited for you guys to come on the journey with us, show you the garden where everything's going to go, show you the house, and obviously show you where my pizza oven's going to be going for future videos. Right, let's get cracking. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, make sure you are hitting that thumbs up and subscribing to the channel, and obviously hitting that little notifications bell so that you don't miss any future content. Right guys, let's go. Say hello. Here we go. Kitchen, dining space, living room. And then let's go and see the important bit, garden. And then right across the back is going to be the seating bit and then the pizza oven. Cool. So then everyone, that is it. Now you know why I've been so quiet with my videos. As you know, moving house is a little bit stressful, so hopefully now I can get back on it, get some video cooking content done and unboxed, and obviously you're going to be here joining me as we set up the outside area, get it all ready for cooking in the summer, get the pizza oven set up, get it all nicely done. So make sure you are obviously subscribing to the channel, make sure you're hitting that notifications bell so you don't miss any future videos and updates on how it's all going basically, and how the channel is going to progress. I just want to say a big thanks to everyone who has subscribed, because we have just hit the 5,000 subscriber mark, which is absolutely fantastic. Just after our 2-year birthday as a channel, I never thought in a million years at the start of this process during lockdown when I started making these videos that we'd even get to 1,000 subscribers. So a massive thank you to every one of you for watching and obviously commenting, subscribing and liking and sharing the videos like you always do. So until next time, I'll see you all again very soon.
One pizza too many. One pizza too many.